Hi everyone, this is Melissa with Melissa Made, and today I'm sharing something special with you. I designed a snake set for Whimsy Stamps called the Nope Rope, and I hope you enjoy this quick little video where I speed color using my Copics, and I kind of show you how to create some great designs with this set. I hope you enjoyed today's Copic speed video where I showed you how to color little patterns on this Nope Rope set that you can find at Whimsy Stamps. The link is in the description box below. Have a great day.